Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about the new insane Gemini 3.1 Pro, the new model from Google which can solve the most complex tasks. And we'll see through how the internet has been reacting over the Twitter and the other parts of the world, and it has taken the internet by storm. Hey, if you have not met me, my name is Preetham. I talk about AI, generative AI, and I happen to be a TEDx speaker as well as author of Demystify Generative AI book for everyday people. And I have been working with Google for more than 6+ years and 3+ years in the space of generative AI especially. So let's get started. So if you look at this model 3.1 Pro is accessible via different platforms. For developers, it is via Google AI Studio. It's one of the developer platform, Google Gemini CLI, Anti-Gravity for coding, and Android Studio. For enterprise customers, it is Vertex AI and Gemini Enterprise, and for consumers, which you'll see today, it's Gemini App and Notebook LM. And we'll go through all the details, but before that, let's see how internet has been storming on this. Let's look at this. The last one was comparison of 3 and 3.1 Pro model, and this one is exactly 3.1, and it gives you lot of power and insane capability. And it looks like the performance dashboards as well within a short time. But I also happen to experiment with the tool so that I also get what's the difference. And it can solve complex problems, understand text, images, videos, and even the entire code bases. But here's the twist. Some users are already saying it feels less like human. So what is this? The smartest ever AI model built by Google or something colder? And before you think it's just another AI hype video, it is not, because Google just released not a small update, it's a massive shift in how AI thinks. So coming back to 3.1 Pro is Google DeepMind's flagship latest model, and it is built for one thing, complex thinking. It performs better than previous model in the reasoning task. It handles multimodal inputs, text, images, videos, code, and it can analyze massive data sets and solve multi-step problems. This isn't just chat, this is problem solving at scale, and Google is literally positioning itself as a smarter model for most complex tasks. And why this is insane? Because think through 3.1 Pro thinks through problems. We are talking about AI that can plan systems, simulate real-world scenarios, and build apps from prompt, analyze large documents or long documents or code bases, even benchmark, which we'll see, so huge jumps in reasoning performance compared to earlier version. This is where AI stops being a tool and starts behaving as a co-partner or co-thinker. And the truth, and nobody is talking about, even the reports say the model feels more logical and but less creative and less emotional. That's okay. Some users say it's becoming too perfect, too structured, too monotonous or robotic. And that raises a questioning, are we optimizing AI for intelligence at the cost of humanity? So that's a food for thought for you, but I feel it's a massive step towards being on solving the complex problem that Google has taken. And this is bigger than Gemini because we are entering the new phase of AI, from chatbots, the agentic AI to reasoning engines. And with features like agentic workflows, the AI that takes action, multi-step reasoning, deep analysis of real-world systems, Gemini 3 Pro models can even understand interfaces, videos, workflows, not even text, not just text. That means AI is not longer reacting, it is decoding in a faster, smarter way. And let's see what I have built it. So I was playing around with this tool for some time now, but before that, let's see the benchmarking report, especially in terms of AGI, will surprise you. You will see humanity last exam, it scores 44.4, better than 37.5, 3 Pro. 3.1 Pro is exactly built on the foundation of 3 Pro, but with enhanced capabilities. You can think of that way, and it is way ahead of Sonnet, Opus, and GPT 5.2. Similarly, AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, it's 77.1, massive jump from the previous competition. And GPQA Diamond, you can see 94.3%, and you can see all the latest benchmarking report. As it says, let's see another demo before I jump into my demo, which I want to try comparing 3 and 3.Pro in Gemini app. You can make out the massive difference, especially SVCs, right? Has gone crazy with Gemini 3.1 Pro, and the accuracy, you can see that. which you'll of course see in a demo.
After seeing a video of a starling murmuration, I was inspired to ask Gemini 3.1 Pro to code a simulation of one for me. The model created this cloud of boids that interact in similar patterns to a real flock of birds. I then asked the model to make the simulation interactive so I could move the birds with my hand.
And let me go back to my demo. I was trying to play around with generative animated SVG of baby elephant in a roller skates rather, and I took thinking. So if you want 3.1 Pro, you have to select Pro. Thinking is mostly Gemini 3.0 Pro or 3.0 Pro. You can see it looks slightly more, not that accurate, right? And see this output. The same animated SVG of baby elephants on roller skates looks near perfect, near real, and nearly insane, right? That's how it has been working. That's how it has created a massive shift in Gemini 3.1 Pro. And let's talk about some uncomfortable truth, right? The smarter AI becomes, the less we understand and how it reaches decision. More reasoning equal to more complexity equal to bit of less transparency, right? And this is where things may get trickier, because you are not just using AI, you are starting to trust AI bit more. So what should you do? Don't fear, use it strategically, because 3.1 Pro shines on deep research, coding plus debugging, business strategy, content decisions, learning complex topics faster. If you are using it right, this is not an AI tool, it's a super powerhouse to you and a 10x multiplier for your brain. And the question is not, is it AI getting smarter than you? That is already happening. Will you evolve with it, or simply you are going to get replaced by someone who does? If you want to stay ahead in this AI revolution, subscribe to this channel, because we don't just talk about AI, we show you how to win with it. Thank you for watching. This is my channel, Preetham, signing off for now. Thanks for watching and thank you for time.